16-year-old female shot and succumbed to her injuries allegedly by ex-boyfriend in Westmoreland. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 16-year-old waitress was shot allegedly by her boyfriend and succumbed to her injuries after a male companion accompanied her home from work in Little London, Westmoreland on Saturday morning. The deceased has been identified as Anita Dennis of Grants Bush in the community. The incident reportedly happened around 2:15 a.m. Reports from the police are that Dennis was on her way home from work when upon reaching the Little London Square she disembarked at transportation and met up with a friend. The deceased has been identified as Anita Dennis of Grants Bush in the community. The incident reportedly happened around 2:15 a.m. Reports from the police are that Dennis was on her way home from work when upon reaching the Little London Square she disembarked at transportation and met up with a friend. The male companion, said to be a mechanic, then accompanied the 16-year-old girl to her house on foot. Both Dennis and the mechanic later sat on her veranda talking. It is alleged that shortly after the suspect, Dennis' ex-boyfriend, entered the yard and opened gunfire at Dennis and her male friend. Dennis and the 38-year-old man, in fear of their lives, made a bid to escape. The police said that the suspect later left on foot. The police were summoned, and on their arrival, Dennis and her male companion were seen on the veranda, suffering from what appears to be gunshot wounds to the upper part of their bodies. They were subsequently rushed to hospital, where Dennis was pronounced dead on arrival and the mechanic admitted with a gunshot wound to his abdomen and back. The police investigations continues. This has been Links 007 TV, and we'll continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. Thanks for watching.